Hey guys, it's Dave Jonas here, just wrapping up weekend here in Mount Pleasant. You know, had some ups and downs, had great qualifying rounds and finished 5th in Friday's final, and today unfortunately had a mechanical failure and was out on the first lap. So, you know, it's part of racing and it's something we're going to improve on and come into Geneva swinging, and you know, I'm ready to finish out the season strong and you know, pumped to be here.
Hey guys, Logan Christian here, wrapping up a weekend in Mount Pleasant, Michigan. We got a good run yesterday, ended up 6th in the final, which doesn't sound good, but the final had a crash and a bad start, so I worked my way up from a ways back to 6th. So I'm good ride yesterday. Today had some tough luck in the second heat, was leading, had a shot go out on us. So Betsy and Carver had the thing running for the LCQ, got the win in the LCQ, and wrapped up with a 3rd in the final. It was a gnarly track, people were crashing, there's a lot of yellow flags, but held onto the sled, stayed smooth, hit my marks, and ended up on the podium. Can't thank everybody enough, for sure.